Hello again, this is Genevieve. This is for class Recreation 3202, Section 5, winter quarter of 2014. And I'm going to talk about how to bowl. So, the right way to grab a bowling ball, there are 3 holes on the bowling ball. You place your thumb on the bottom hole, and then your ring finger and your middle finger on the top 2 holes. So it's kind of like this when you're grabbing the ball. Then the placement of your feet can be very helpful too, and the way you know where you should stand. Well, there's on the lane itself where you finally release the ball, and then when you're starting off walking up to release the ball, there's 5 black circles on the ground. So if you want your ball to go straight, then make sure that you're standing in the middle of those 5 dots on the ground. And when you finally throw your ball, make sure you aim it at the middle triangle, which you'll see it once you're there. So you're holding your ball, and you hold it by your belly button. Then you take a step forward, opposite over the hand that you're holding the bowling ball. So you take a step forward, and at the same time, you're extending your hand forward. The next 2 steps, you use that to swing your arm back. And then your final step, you swing your arm forward, and then you release it, aiming it once again, in the middle triangle on the lane. Some tips. As you're walking up, the arm that does not have your bowling ball, extend that forward, kind of like helping you to get an idea of where you want to release your ball. And kind of like, when people throw or they bat, they kind of aim somewhere and then they bat. So that's kind of the same idea when you extend your other arm forward as you're swinging, as you have the other one back, as your ball back behind you. Then you swing it forward, and then make sure that when you release, it's kind of like, make sure this is that way. So you're not going like that, because then your ball is going to go all cricket, or it'll be rotating, and it might not go where you want it to go. So just throw it and make sure it's like this, and that'll direct your ball, and hopefully you get the score, or the amount of pins down that you want. That's the basic steps. All right, goodbye.